Hi everybody, this is Rick back with you in the Tenor Saxophone Book 2. Today we are on page 24. No new ideas at the top of the page, so we can get right into the music this time. The first one is called Blazin', and if you look at the beginning, you will see that it says 4/4 or cut time. Really anything that's written in 4/4 could be considered or looked at as being cut time because they do look the same, or they can look the same. The difference would be generally cut time is meant to be probably playing the selection faster than if it was 4/4. But really the difference is the way it's counted. If you look at the first measure in 4/4, that would be counted 1, 2, 3, 4. 3/4 is the half note. And in cut time, since a half note gets one count and there are only 2 beats, it would be 1 and 2. All right, so I will play it in 4/4. One more thing before we start this one, I do recommend using the alternate B-flat fingering, the one that I think I called it the bis key. That's what I was taught it was called. That's where your first finger slides down to push these 2 keys at the same time. It is very useful on this one because there's a B flat in the key signature and there are no B naturals within the song. So it's handy, but you can do it if you want. You don't have to. You can use one of the other B flat alternates too. 1, 2, 3.
This lesson is brought to you by the Musician's Edition practice book. Make goals and keep track of progress throughout the whole year. When you're done with this video lesson, don't forget to mark this practice time in your Musician's Edition practice book. Now back to the video.
Okay, the next one is called American Patrol. It is a pretty well-known march, standard marching band march that's played quite a bit by marching bands or concert bands. This one also is in the key of F with 1 flat in the key signature. So again, if you'd like to use an alternate B flat fingering, I would recommend it. 2 beats in a measure, lots of 16th notes. Make sure you follow the form. There's a DCL coda. All right, here we go. Tighten this up a little. 1, 2, 1. On this entire page, there are a lot of articulation markings, so make sure you pay attention to those, and also lots of dynamic markings. All right, the next one's called Carry Dance. This is in a different key signature, so you will not be using your B flat fingerings, any of them. Again, pay attention to articulations. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we have number 100, Gavotte. This one also does not use B flat. There's an F sharp. Make sure you pay attention to articulations once again and repeat signs. All right. 1, 2, 3. So that one moves along pretty fast. I would also encourage you always to learn something slowly and then build up the speed as you get better at it. All right, now we turn to page 41 and look for number 100 on page 41. And it's up a little. 1, 2, 3. And then we go back to page 24 for the last one of the page, number 101. Back to B flat, also E flat, E flat, so make sure you're playing those flats in this one. One, 2, 3. All right, I will see you next page, or next time for page 25. Good luck.